Okay, so it's recording now, because you can see it flashing down there. So, welcome to my project. I was asked to make up a JavaScript Yahtzee game, so I looked at this website online to get some ideas of what I would need. So, as this one shows, this one you can play 2-player with Bill and yourself. You click the button to roll the dice, and then the numbers come over here in the table. So that is a pretty good version. Mine will be a little bit more simple than that. So now I'm going to have a look at my version here. So this is my Yahtzee game at the moment. I can click a button to roll all dice. It shows what dice 1 rolls, in this case a 4, dice 2 has rolled a 4, and so on. I can hold or unhold the dice up to 3 rolls, and then the values should come up over here. So I'm still to do that functionality. Now, just having a look at my code. So this is my first example of code here. So this is where I have my table called Yahtzee. Okay, I've just got a little heading there. These are my buttons here to roll the dice. Okay, and this one roll all dice, and then the hold and unhold are here. So it's basically the same coding for each dice. I've just copied and pasted and changed a few things. Now my second block of code that I'd like to talk about is here. So this is where I have put my table in for my values. So the table starts up here, the table code. All of these things here are blank spaces. That's what Dreamweaver puts in for blank spaces in the table. Here is my 1s, my 2s, I've made them bold, 3s, 4s, etc. And finally, to explain the last bit of my code, this is the JavaScript section. It's only the beginning of it, but basically I have grayed out these this code here because I was working on it, different parts of it. But basically, I'll try to keep track of the number of rolls each player has. There's a function there to roll it. It'll count the number of rolls I've had. This is the function to hold the dice. So again, I haven't fully worked it out yet, but at the moment it'll put up an alert. So I still have a bit to go, but that's just my basic draft of my project.